Hi, my name is Ashley Watt, and I just started my ninth year of teaching agricultural education. I work for Oxford Junior Senior High School in Oxford, Kansas. We are a small 2A school, so we serve about 120 students from our 7th through our 12th grade. On average, we graduate about 25 students a year. Along with teaching multiple subjects within agriculture, I also serve as the FFA advisor, and I coach cross country and track as well. When I think about the administration that I've served under, I've definitely had a unique view of things. Being a small school, in my second year here, because of budget cuts, they condensed our superintendent and our high school principal into one position. So the people that serve in that position are usually stretched very thin. The two people that I have had that and worked for have been very student-centered, and because of that, we, in our PD and in our day-to-day, and as we work throughout the year, they are focused in student safety and student rights, along with the confidentiality that goes along with all of that. They're very supportive towards staff, and they really work with us. Being somebody that has a lot of extracurricular time with students, they think about students outside of the school day as well, and about the laws that we face, taking students on trips, all the liability and things when we're thinking about sports and the students outside of our halls. I've really been pretty lucky to work with people that I know a lot about school law and are so student focused. When I think about myself, school law probably isn't the top of my priority. I know that we touched on it in college, but it wasn't something that I actively went out to learn more about. I would pick things up here or there. I knew the basics. But in the last 4 years, I've served as a mentor to our new teachers, and because of that, I've really tried to focus on school law with school and school board structure, how that affects school and family privacy and laws, and always thinking about student safety, along with those extracurriculars as well as in the classroom. In the last 2 years, I have become a negotiator for our school and our teacher association. So I've gotten to know a lot more about board policy, how the board is structured, as well as along with collective bargaining. Moving forward, I think even just becoming a part of this master's program and being a part of this class, it's important to be informed. And more I tell my students that every day, the more you can be informed about something, the better choices you're going to make down the line. Furthering my education is one of those steps. I think that I really want to read and review and share with my colleagues and my mentees about students with disabilities. We have a high rate of students that have all sorts of levels of learning, along with physical disabilities. And I think we need to review some of that stuff, especially with our mentees. Cell phone usage, I think it's something that we struggle with on a day-to-day basis, and it's going to be something that we struggle with from here on out, because almost every student I encounter has a personal device that they can use. Also, being a negotiator, I want to focus on collective bargaining as well. Those are the three things I, in my personal plan, would like to focus on more with school law, and I look forward to approaching that in this class.